Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to put together a creative, simple idea from Dollar Tree items. And we're going to make something very beautiful, so come along with me. Alright, so I have already gotten it together, mostly. So, let me tell you what I did, okay? I have a backer. I took a piece of cardboard and previously painted this, so we're going to stick that down here inside the container. Oh, this container, let me explain. So of course you see this is a Dollar Tree container, and I have gone ahead and put some of those stickers from the Dollar Tree on here, and that says sweetheart. I stuffed the inside of this with some tissue paper and then covered it with the purple tissue paper. Okay, so just in case you can see through there, it's fine. So we're going to start with that, and then in the back we're going to put a notebook and a pen. Okay, simple notebook and a pen. I need to move around so I can see, make sure this is straight and that you can see. Yes, okay. And then I have taped together the pedicure set and also the minute tinted lip oils. Okay, so we're going to put that right here, like that. And then we have a shower cap. And we're going to put the shower cap right there. I want to make sure there's room for everything. Okay? And we're going to get the glue dots. Make sure that these things stay. Okay? There, like that, and then if it comes off, okay, and then one right here, like that. Haha. All right. And bring this a little closer for you. Let's see, yeah. And now we're going to put in the rose and vanilla scented shower gel right there. And we're going to do it again. Another glue dot right there. And we're going to put one right there. Okay? We want to make sure it stays still. Okay? And then this is one of those containers from the Dollar Tree also, and it is filled with some of my bath salts. So instead of using my bath salts, you can get Epsom salt from the Dollar Tree and put it in here. Okay? So that is in here. And we're not going to worry about it moving because it's not going to move. Because now we're going to put in this cute little head wrap to hold the hair back. Ooh, hold on. Hold on. I think I like this one. That's cute, guys. That's cute. Okay. Let's do one more thing. Let's do one more thing. One more thing. course, is probably doing the most. I want to give her some flowers. Okay, just a couple. Let me see. Oh, that's pretty. Okay, I should have turned on my glue gun. That's okay. I'll place it for right now, but I just turned it on because I'm going to do that. Yes, that is so cute. And if I didn't show you, I put a sticker on the back of this to cover up the tag because I couldn't get it off. Yeah, that's pretty. Hold on. Do we want one more? Ooh, one more. I'm definitely going to have to glue that. But that is beautiful. Tell me what you think. I can't wait to hear. What would you have done differently here? Okay? Would you have done anything different? Do you like it? Please like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time. And watch my other videos, please. Bye.